Hey everyone, if you are trying to install a plugin or update WordPress and suddenly see this message WordPress need to access your web server or you are being asked for FTP credential, right? So let me quickly demonstrate the exact error message you might see during installation of the plugins. So I'm gonna click on add new plugin and let's try to install a new plugin. So here you will see a list of plugin. You can install any of the plugin from here. So I'm gonna search here for form in the search box, and let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna install this WP form, and here you will see connection information. So this is the error message that you might see during installation or installation of plugins or theme. So I'm gonna cancel it and let's try to install a new theme. And here I'm gonna search for a new theme, and I'm gonna click on Hello Elementor to install this plugin, and you will see the same error, right? So we will fix this error. Here you will see this code. So I'm gonna copy this code, and don't worry, I will provide this code in the video description. So I'm gonna copy it and back to the WordPress directory. Inside my application XAMPP, and inside the XAMPP, here you will see htdocs. Inside the htdocs, so I'm gonna click on WordPress. Inside my project, you will see here the wp-config.php file, right? So we will edit this file. So I'm gonna open this file in the text editor, and then scroll down at the bottom of this file. Here I'm gonna paste the code. So I'm gonna paste the code here, and then I'm gonna save this file, right? I'm gonna save it, and let's close this file. And then back to the site, and here I'm gonna refresh the site. If you still face the issue, you can restart your XAMPP server. So I'm gonna add new plugin, and here I'm gonna install this plugin to see if the error has exist or not. So I'm gonna install. Okay, now the error has fixed. So the installation process of the plugin is successfully started. Let's try to install the theme. So inside the appearance, I'm gonna click on themes, click on add new theme, and scroll down, click on install this theme. Okay, here you will see the theme installation as successfully started and the error as fixed. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.